Do you know that you can use this leaf to treat hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and C? Are you with me? If you know that someone that is suffering from hepatitis, this is miracle leaf or restoration leaf. Hmm? You can use this leaf with garlic. This is garlic. You can blend it. You can buy garlic like any amount, depend on the quantity of the leaf. Do not use powder leaf. Hmm? Blend it, extract the water, drink like 4 spoon of that water every morning and every night. If you have hepatitis, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple.